To first start the drawing, we want to set the units. And entering the units, it will ask the which type you want to select. And to select engineering, sorry, decimal, select millimeters, and based on the accuracy and the precision, be selecting this. And set OK. After that, you go for limits. So usually the lower limit is 0, 0, and based on the drawing, we'll be setting the upper limits. For this drawing, I'll be setting 200, 150. Then zoom, enter, all, enter. So this is the initial steps you want to do. After that, we proceed the drawing by drawing the circle. So the first step is drawing the circle of diameter 30. So from the 30, want to draw the bigger circle. So circle, control, right click, it will getting the from option. So from this center of the circle at the 62 angle 0, you will be getting another circle. So that circle is of radius 25. So again you want to draw another circle which is located at 80 mm at 51 degrees from this current circle. So I'm drawing the circle command C. So control right click from this center at 80 angle 51 degrees. From at 80 angle 51. So the diameter of the circle is 30. So you'll be entering the radius as 15. Right. Then Dimcenter, locate the center of this circle, the center of the circle, and center of this circle. Now want to connect this two circle by means of an arc. So you use draw command, draw circle, tangent, tangent, radius. So you select this circle as one tangent, this circle is another tangent, and radius is 50. Right. Similarly, I use the same command. This is a circle. This is one tangent. This is one tangent. This is another tangent. The radius is 50. Now use trim command. Select these two circles as cutting edges. Complete the cutting edge and select the unwanted parts. This, and this is unwanted. So completed. After this, the inner circle is be drawn. Circle. The center is this and radius is 10. Similarly, want to connect this circle and this smaller circle with the same option, circle, tangent, tangent, radius. So you select this is one tangent, this circle is another tangent, and the radius is 100. So we want to select carefully. Circle, tangent, tangent, radius. This is one tangent, this is another tangent, radius is 100. So use trim command. Select this circle and this circle as a cutting edge. Right click it and select the unwanted parts. Now this line is done. Now I'm using the shortcut. I'm going for mirror option. The mirror option is found in modify tab. So you go for modify, you select mirror. So I'm selecting this line, this curve has to be mirrored. Right click it and center of the circle. This is one center and this is another center. So the thing is drawn. For inner this circle, you want to draw the inner circle that is of radius 10. So circle, this is center, radius is 10. So completed. Outer thing is completed. So inner thing, you want to draw the details in the middle center of the circle. So I'm zooming in. So I want to draw a circle which is offset from this center. So circle C, control right click from. So from this center at 10 mm, angle is 0. So another circle I want to draw. The radius of that circle is 10 mm. Now for this circle, we want to draw the inner circle is of diameter 8. So circle diameter 8 means radius is 4 I'm entering. Then want to draw another circle, that is pitch circle. From the center of the circle, right, we want to mark the radius of 7 mm. So this is the pitch circle. So this pitch circle, to highlight it, I'm selecting in the yellow color. Now I want to draw one circle here. That circle radius is, there's a smaller circle. The diameter is 3 mm. So for that, you want to go to OSnap settings. So in the bottom, you find different settings. So you go to settings. You select all the object snap modes. So the abbreviated is OSnap. They're telling the endpoint, midpoint, center line, nodes, quadrant. So select all, everything. You select all and set OK. Now you go for drawing the circle. So if you go nearer, so snap, OSnap is on. Now, so now the quadrant is highlighted. So from here, we want to draw a circle of diameter 3. So radius is 1.5. I'm entering. So this circle is fixed. Now I want to copy this circle, copy and rotate. So such that this I want to get 6 circles on this yellow line. So for that, I'm going for array command. So array command is found in modify tab, array. Under this array, we have polar array option. So polar array is uh, arranging the object in the round pattern. So here you can select the objects. So this is the circle I want to array. Right click it. Then the center point I want to locate, which on which basis I want to rotate. So this is center. So number of items it is asking. I need total of 6 circles. So angle of filling is 60 degrees. So I can go for preview. So I can see all the 6 circles are arranged in the pattern what I expect. So there is no correction in it. So I can go for accept. So the drawing is done. So to highlight this, I want to change the line type. So here changing the line type, you can go, you can load the different types of line types are there. So I need a center line. So center line, you can go for center or center 2. I can go for center 2. Okay. Okay. Now you select it. You can find the center 2 here. So you select here. Now this line is little bit different what I not what I expected. So I go for options. I go for properties. I go for properties. Select and right click. So the properties tab will open. So here you can select the line type scale. I can select 0.25 or 5 such that I can put 0.1. It will be good. Now you can see the line is looks like a center line. I think the drawing is partly completed now. After that, just you can remove this line also, the center also. Zoom it. Now I want to draw one circle, which is circle from this center of here. The radius is 20. Similarly, circle the same center of the previous circle. The radius is 15. Then draw a straight line connecting from here to here. Then go for offset, go for FCT. So the distance is 5 mm. So from this line you cut, go for here and go for here. Right now you can trim it, the unwanted parts. Right. Now go for trim. Select this. Select this. Select this. And select this. And I want to draw a circle radius of 15. Circle from here, the radius is 15. So you select, you go for trim, you select the things. Right, I think it's partly completed now. So you can remove this lines now, delete it. Right now you go for fillet, modify, you go for fillet commands. Fillet radius is 2 mm. So you set the radius 2 mm. Now you select the which are the edges you want to fillet. Similarly, I am using here I'm using this line and this line. So the thing is drawn. Now you go for mirror command. You select these things, right click it and set the mirror point, mirror plane. Right click and enter. So the drawing is now completed. Now we want to dimension it. So you can go for dimension, aligned the center of the circle to this center, CEN. So it's 62. Then from this center to this center, locate it. It is 10. Now you go for aligned dimension. Go for aligned center of this circle to center of this circle. So to first fix what are the things you have seen, right? Then and go for dimension, radius or dimension of diameters, and go. So you can select diameter 30. This is diameter 20. Similarly, here you can dimension 20, dimension 30. Here you can see the outer diameter 50. Here you can dimension this. Here you can dimension this, right? Then you can dimension this radius as 40 and inner radius as 30, and this radius is 2 mm, diameter radius is 2, diameter is 4. So the drawing is completed. Still you can dimension the other parameters which is necessary to look the drawing as a perfect drawing. Thank you.